Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by grabbing the exact TikTok clip you want. This saves time and prevents format issues. Open TikTok, locate the live or saved video, and save or screen record it directly to Photos. Make sure the clip is portrait and between 15-60 seconds so it fits the lock screen motion limit. Once done, trim the beginning or end in Photos so the focal action sits near the center. This will keep the subject visible when the parallax effect moves. Next, you prepare the video for iPhone wallpaper mechanics by converting it into a live photo. Trim and crop in photos or clips to perfect the 9:16 portrait framing. Stabilize if shaky. Then use the share sheet and choose Save as Live Photo or run a shortcuts action to convert video to live photo for better control. Make sure the key action is within the first few seconds because the lock screen triggers a short preview. This ensures the most compelling. Now set the live photo as your lock screen wallpaper. Open Settings Wallpaper, add New Wallpaper, choose Live Photos, and pick the converted clip. Disable perspective zoom so the animation isn't cropped or shifted, then tap Set and choose Lock Screen. If the animation doesn't play, make sure low power mode is off and that the live photo conversion included motion frames. Reconvert using shortcuts if needed. Finally, press the lock screen firmly or long press to preview the live animation and confirm.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.